Marley, put the counter.
Yeah,
Something special from the place.
looks nice.
Yeah.
That's good.
Very good.
Thick.
Yes.
Oh, very heavy.
Rocking horse.
Sold to USA here. This is cool. Look, it's like a boat.
Yeah. All the men are
Bit of the boat.
Yeah.
Inside you can see the storage door.
Bar table, France. Or counter something. Oh, look! Get up, get up.
Oh yeah.
Sri Lankan rupees 487,000. The delivery insurance everything.
What's in this though?
USD around 2,750. With the delivery insurance everything.
Sorry?
With delivery insurance everything.
Oh.
Include. The color.
Oh, there's big elephants down there.
Nice coffee table. This not only coffee table, you can use both sides.
Wow.
Yes. See this one now here sold to UK.
Wow. Gosh, that's a lot. It's a lot of stuff you got here. Or
Yes.
with design.
Those are not wooden.
Well, they stone.
So, you want to try the mask? So,
Yeah.
traditional Sri Lankan.
You have lots.
Those are not bulky. After packing will be like this. See?
Alright.
Don't need big space. Also not heavy because those are from Aduru balsa wood. Lightweight wood but don't count inside.
So what do you do? You assemble it?
Yeah, I explain you that natural color paint, the peacock for peace, love.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, I see that.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you just put it together.
This is the symbol of this.
Okay.
Also no discount.
It's more of how do you call that? Religion, really, isn't it?
No religion.
What's that?
No religion.
More of
Traditional.
Oh,
This,
yeah.
comes from our culture.
Alright.
No any religion mean.
There's a big one here.
Yes.
What about the statues here?
These are
What do you use this for?
These are you can
Just ornaments.
No.
Just
Also ornament. Also you can use as candle holder.
Alright.
See.
Okay.
Nice from mahogany wood. Also these are the many years ago our dress was like this. We have different sizes.
They're very pretty.
You can use as ornament also as candy bowl.
This one is tissue box. Is that for tissues here?
It is weird.
It's pretty. Oops, don't break it.
I will have to pay it.
Ah, this is cute. How much are they?
This one totally from teakwood.
Ah, teakwood.
Yes. This is so this is price, ma'am, and I can do it for 22,900.
And what's that in US?
27,000 and 2,900 USD around 130.
Huh? How much?
130.
130.
Yes.
Oh my god!
And
Wow! Right.
each one different designs.
Oh yeah. So all of them are made in there, or you have a leather factory?
Yes.
Oh. Take it or leave it. Oh, this is nice.
This is
What's this one?
This is the wet.
This is for jewelry or what?
No, this is just wood.
Ah, what's that?
Just
Oh, chest. Chest. Oh. That's different.
you want jewelry
Sorry.
jewelry boxes are over there.
Okay. We'll just have a look around. Gosh. Sobrang dami. Oh, look. Cute. Makabungog.